CBS 13 is on your side with a weather warn alert. Here is meteorologist Christian Bridges.
Well, we are tracking freezing rain out there this morning, and then, of course, the significant storm set to arrive later on this afternoon and this evening with very heavy rain and strong winds. Power outages are likely as we get into this evening. So you can see the steady rain with this storm developing off to our south, and this will be moving through. You can see how much rain is headed our way. So a lot of that is expected as we head into the afternoon and into tonight after that freezing rain changes over to rain as we head through this morning. So freezing rain, again, changing over to rain as we head through this morning. There is that big flood concern with this storm with 2 to 3 inches of rain and all the snow we've just seen melting away as well. And as we head into tonight, winds will gust up to 50 to even 55 miles per hour, in some spots even 60 miles per hour. And that brings a big power outage threat along the coastline and even extending inland in some spots for this evening. So let's talk about those peak wind gusts that we are expecting here. It looks like from the Portland area through coastal York County, even over towards the Sanford area, all the way up through Lewiston, Augusta, gusts up to 55 miles per hour are possible. And over towards the east side of Casco Bay, think Brunswick, over towards Booth Bay, Rockland, 50 to 65 mile per hour gusts are possible. So again, this will likely lead to power outages with the southeasterly wind direction. That will likely bring down trees and power lines. So again, a pretty significant event on the way for this evening. The good news is at least it's quick moving with the strongest winds. We won't see them for too long, and they should wrap up pretty quickly as we head late into tonight. Again, we also have that flood threat with the heavy rain coming on top of all the recent snowfall. For most, it looks like 2 to 3 inches of rain will be falling. There could be some slightly higher amounts, maybe into the higher elevations. The snowpack in the mountains should hold, at least for some of us up in the mountains. The foothills, the snow will be gone. Central Maine, southern Maine, the snow will be gone. But up in the mountains, because there is so much snow, it should be able to hold at least some of that, and that will help to mitigate at least some of the flood threat. So we're not expecting an extreme, widespread, major flood, but there certainly will be some flooding issues as we head into tonight. So here's how the winds will play out. They really start to pick up into the afternoon. Notice after about 5 p.m. or so, that's when they are strongest through about 10 p.m. or so, and then notice how they quickly drop off as we head later into tonight. So it's 5-6 hours or so of the strongest winds, really with just a couple hours of the very strongest winds that cause the power outages. So unlike last December, that one had a much longer duration with the strongest winds. It also had even more rainfall, and we were already wet leading into that. So that makes me think that this storm won't be quite as bad as what we saw last year, but still, I do expect power outages and I do expect at least some flooding. So here we go, 5 p.m. this evening, the wind's really picking up, gusting up to 40 to 45 miles per hour, even 50 miles per hour along the coast. Here we are at 7 o'clock. This is likely when many of us are seeing those peak winds, and then they wrap up as we head into Wednesday night. It will still be breezy on Thursday, but it will be out of the west and it will not be at an extreme level. So we are again looking ahead to this significant storm this evening. I do expect lots of heavy rain. Again, these strong winds overnight tonight. Cooling down tomorrow. We do warm up into the 50s this evening. We are cooler as we head into tomorrow with highs around 40. And then we're around the freezing mark Friday and Saturday. Nice quiet weather. In fact, quiet weather is expected to continue for much of the next 7 days. There is the chance maybe early next week of some rain or some snow, although confidence is low at this point. Models not in great agreement with that system, but it does look a little milder towards Tuesday of next week. Katie, back over to you. All right, and a reminder, you can track this storm with our weather app. It's free. It gives you real-time alerts, a live interactive radar, and current conditions. Search for WGMEWX in your app store.